Should lead you into a snake pit.
There are supposed to be snakes here, right?
Yeah, this is supposed to be death, murder snakes. I'm sticking my flashlight in your face.
I haven't seen it yet.
Mingalaba.
We're in Myanmar.
Let's adventure. We thought we'd go on a little bit of a nighttime adventure and try to catch the sunset tonight.
Oh yeah.
Beginning.
Y'all ready for this?
We're gonna head this way? We're gonna head to your right?
I think those two dogs are stuck together.
Stuck together?
Like by the butt. I think they're
What?
fighting.
How can they? Sorry, that's inappropriate. What's going on? I'm gonna keep walking. That's scary. The sun's starting to come down. Looks like these berries are out to dry. It's interesting. Ooh, it smells fermenty. Ooh, dear. That is a strong smell. Yeah.
I wonder what kind of berry that is.
To use my flashlight for the first time.
How was that? Exciting?
A little scary. Feel very Indiana Jones.
Oh.
There's gotta be a fulcrum release lever somewhere!
It's a cool bird. It's a busy one. It looks beautiful in the orange sunset. There's a little, oh, I'm not gonna hurt you, little man. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Also, I don't really want you that close to me because it's scary. There's something hanging off the other one's butt. Ah. Oh, look how cute the pupper is, though. What do you want, little buddy?
Hey, little guy.
Hey, little guy. You got a friend. I'm gonna name him Shadow. And that other one's Akira. The one with the paper in his bum. So what's the best thing after a long, dusty walk?
You already know.
very dark down there, but there's a kitty in my skirt, which sounds like a euphemism, but there's literally a kitty in my skirt. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hello. Aww.
There's still a kitten all over my feet. I think it's licking itself right now.
Often maintain that our favorite part about Vietnam was just sitting and eating a bunch of vegetables. This is pretty delightful. It's like $1 for a plate of veggies and some potatoes.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's just great to just have like some simple fried up, not fried up, I think those are just steamed.
Yep.
This is fried up potatoes and stuff, but yeah, it's amazing. Especially when there's a cat warming your feet.
There is a kitten sitting on my feet.
It's because you're cuddly
Thank you.
and not scary like a bear.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's, love. And cat. You got a pretty curdy, buddy.
It's true. It looks very comfy.
Very asleep on your feet. Would you recommend this place whose name we don't know?
Yeah.
I think that's the name over there. Sarah Baha?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever felt so much like Indiana Jones?
I think I felt even more like Indiana Jones. The traffic sort of takes you out of the Indiana Jones moment.
Which way are we going?
I follow my wife.
Oh, that's stupid.
Aww.
You shouldn't follow your wife.
Follow my heart.
She'll lead you into a snake pit.
There are supposed to be snakes here, right?
Yeah, there's supposed to be death, murder snakes. I'm sticking my flashlight in your face.
I haven't seen it yet. It's very blinding.
I don't think you can see anything on the camera here, but we're going back from our nighttime adventure, and it's nighttime out.
Yeah.
And there is a path over there, but I missed it clearly because it's really dark.
Ah, no worries.
But if you go to Bagan, bring a flashlight.
Yeah. And drink strong Mandalay beer.
Could definitely recommend the bringing a flashlight thing.
And definitely recommend drinking strong Mandalay beer.
But mostly the flashlights.
Does
so you
Bagan
can.
not have a beer?
I don't think so. It's a
Well,
pretty
the
small
Mandalay
city.
beer is good.
Anyway, yeah, for adventuring through all of the temples with the dark staircases or openings, and also for getting back to your hotel at night when there's no street lights and you think you're gonna get killed by a tuk-tuk.
Yeah. Hey, you know what else is brilliant about this nighttime travel?
What?
I think only 2 people have asked us for something.
Yeah. Everybody's like, oh, those people are dumb enough to walk in the night.
Yeah.
They can afford it for themselves.
No thanks. Okay,
This way.
bye.
Can you even see it in the camera?
No, it's pretty dark.
We'll set up our faces and film over here.
Okay.
Spooky Halloween style. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribes and the stuff that you do in the dark. It's spooky time.
If you want to walk around again on foot, and you know, it's like maybe,
Yeah.
mostly.
He seems kind of blurry, like he had too many beers.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, let's go home. Get him in bed.
Yeah.
Take
Peace.
luck. That is so cool. It's going right over us. You can so clearly see it. Okay? We wanted to mention that this series was filmed in February 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release these videos in this series, it's 2021, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We certainly are no authority on what's going on, but we definitely encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.